Good morning, everybody. Today's November 1st, 2023. And on a nature walk today. I figured, I'm not going to bring my camera, not going to bring Daisy. I want to bring you along today just to show you the glory. There's a deer. You can't see it. Even if I turned around, you wouldn't be able to see it. There's a deer running right there in front of me, going through the bushes. He's probably just heard me talk. He's probably bedded down and he jumped up and just ran away. Just want you to look and just enjoy the beauty. That's the Great Miami River. When I was at high school, me and my friends, we used to ride our bicycles down here and do a lot of fishing. So I wanted to take a trip today and share this with you. Today's Wednesday. People are at work trying to make money so they could, have a living. But today, Brother Bride's out living today. I'm doing a little living today. I'm taking you along with me. These sandbars that I'm walking on right now, me and my friends, we have caught many a fish down here. Today I'm out going back into time, enjoying one of the most incredible things in my life, where where my soul was forged. My soul was, grafted out here in nature. Many a times that I miss school. Come down here, there's deer prints all over. Look at this. You hear that? The water running over the rocks. Glorious trees. It's big white. I don't know what those trees are. I guess they're white elms. Yeah, we used to swim down here. We would bring inner tubes down here. We would float down the river in inner tubes. Me and my deported brother, my beloved brother, used to come down here with my friend Daryl. Yeah, that deer was right over here just a minute ago. He's probably back there still running around. Yeah, I'm off of work today. I'm blessed today to be set free from the capitalistic world today. Right over here behind me, on the other side of the river over there, man, we have caught many a catfish over there on that bank. It's where the water comes in here. It dredges out little deep pockets over there on that bank. And we used to come down here with a tub of chicken liver, man, and we used to just, oh yeah. This is one of my spots though, man. This is one of my spots. There's nobody down here. Nobody's in line waiting for the new greatest gadget. Nobody's interested in these things. But look at that. The Miami River. It's absolutely spectacular. Look how it runs right on down. Runs into the Gulf of Mexico. I love it. Love it. It was 30 degrees this morning. Winter's come. You got all of the leaves are on the ground now, preparing to fertilize the ground for 2024. And I got you guys with me today out here at the park. It's just so beautiful. The birds. I've seen many woodpeckers today running around. It almost looks like there might be a beaver dam. I don't know if that's a log jam or a beaver dam over there. The sun is bright, as you can see. That's why I'm shading my eyes. Spectacular. Doesn't cost a thing. Doesn't cost a thing to come down here. I'm going to do like a 5-mile walk today around the park. And enjoy all this beauty. It looks like there's a bunch of duckweed floating down through here. I think that's what that's called. It floats on top of the water. Yeah. So I'm going to walk around and I'll flip the camera around and I'll share a little bit more with you. I think you guys will enjoy it. It's absolutely beautiful. I'm so blessed today to be out here. And I want to share it with you. Enjoy. woodpecker up here, right in front of us. He's right in this tree right here. See him? Little woodpeckers. Just having a little party, probably getting ready for winter. See him? Sitting right on that tree. There he goes. Little woodpeckers. Seen an eagle a minute ago. Eagle flew over. Of course, he was flying. So there's no chance of getting that on film. But that's alright. I gotta enjoy it. If I see him again, maybe I'll try. Get you guys a video. There's that little woodpecker up the tree. Right up here, this tree right now. He's on that back side of it, hiding from us. They're playing around this tree right here. They may have a nest in it. Let's walk over here and see. This tree right here. And you can see where they've been just now on this tree. You can see they're getting a little food out of it. I guarantee I'll see a deer, but whether or not I get it on film will be another question. Just love nature. Just absolutely love it. The temperature is perfect today for a nice hike. The undergrowth is, look how thick the undergrowth is. Absolutely perfect for a bunch of deers to live. They do live in there. I mean, just thick and green and lush. And they're used to seeing people come through here. They know that nobody's going to cause them any harm. It's usually the younger deer. The older deers are smart enough to leave us alone. But the younger ones are very curious. Fantastic day though. I could just come out here and just stay. I could just put my tent up and just camp out here for a couple days and just spend some time with nature. Nature's not going to jump on your front door. You got to go out and jump in it, right? Ohio is absolutely gorgeous. The Ohio Valley where I live, Dayton, Ohio. I'm going down the, what this actually is right here. This is all this growth is the Erie Canal. That's what that is. That's remnants of the Erie Canal. Look how thick this is here. It's so thick you could barely get through here. I'm covered in burrs from walking. I love it. I have to go home and pick some burrs out of my clothes. Look at this, how thick. It's like a little fortress. So thick. Quiet. Only thing you hear is me. Look at this, it's so beautiful. And these trees. My little hiking stick is, this is a stick that I found in a beaver dam. I just pulled it out and a beaver has had dinner on all the bark on it, and I just thought it was so cool. I made it a hiking stick. Years ago, I found this stick probably 15, 20 years ago. I still use it for my hiking. Twisted, and the trees just twist around. Twisted turd. Nature, oh, one of the most incredible works of art. So beautiful. Just heard something up here. There's something up here in front of us here. Let's see if we can walk up. Might be a deer, might be a squirrel. Let's walk up here and see if he'll come out and show himself. Some people over there walking down another trail. That's not what I heard though. This tree, just look at it, just twisted around doing this dance. Some of the trees are just straight. Some of them just twist around. Just heard it again. It's right over here. Might be a squirrel. Right back in here. That tree, this tree fell over. Look at the ball of roots right there. I'm talking low because I don't want to disturb nature too much, so I do apologize if you're having a hard time hearing me. Maybe you don't want to hear me. I don't blame you at all. It's kind of hard to see, but the old trade tracks are right there. They turned into a bike path. And I'm not on that. I'm actually on a trail, which I'd rather walk on a trail. See, you can actually see right here. This is the old Erie Canal. You can see how it's higher, and then it dips down, and then it comes up. So they probably used this side and that side, and then they used to pull the barges up, and then they converted it into a train track, and now it's a bikeway. Then over here we have a big gorgeous cornfield, and right over there on the other side is where I started the video at, was right over there along the Great Bayou River. Alright, let me turn this off for a minute, and I'll pick it back up here in a second. Comes a bike. He's got the radio cranking the radio, enjoying it. Enjoy nature. Alrighty, everybody. I appreciate you guys hanging out with me. I hope you enjoyed this. And I'll probably be doing some more nature walks if you guys enjoy this. Let me know. Alright? Just take it easy, man. I'm out of here.